Hello folks, I'm inside the brand new 2026 Stryker 2314. As you see, we're sitting here by the patio system. This unit has a 3-season door. As you see, you could get that fresh air, and then there's a privacy panel. I could raise it up and get you privacy. And if I want this door to be completely out, all I have to do is just put a bit, open it like this, and open this side, and voila. I could put any toy haulers through this, and then I could lower the ram door and drive my quads and dirt bikes this inside. Now, as you see, nobody noticing, this unit has a curved roof, so there's no water, no snow will sit on top of the unit. Beautiful patio system, white colors. Everybody uses black. I like the white, give it bright. Then you have the 3-season doors. A lot of the 3-season door, this item, you're not gonna find it except on the fifth wheel toy haulers. But Stryker, they saw there's so much demand for it, they start putting on their travel trailer toy hauler. I love this table. It's a metal, so if you sit it outside, no issue at all. You have the 2 benches, which is turned to a bed, and I'm gonna just demonstrate one side so you could see by flipping this and flip the other side, you have a bed. It's a Happy Jack electric bed. There's a bed in the top, bed at the bottom. Sleep 2 people on the top, 2 people at the bottom, no question asked. Now, a lot of manufacturers, so please, when you look at this toy haulers, a lot of manufacturers, they start cutting the cost by giving you 1 manual electric bed in the top, and underneath only just 2 benches or bench and 2 chair. But the Stryker 2314 is nicer because they give you electric, not a manual. Now, coming down over here to the living area and the kitchen, as I said, we have 14 foot, no question asked, from this wall all the way to the back. So you could bring your 4-seaters with no problem. The width is more than 76 inches between this counter and the wall. This is a wide body toy hauler. Now, the major features, as you see, a lot of people, they don't notice, this is a solid surface countertop. This is not a Formica. Other brand, they put a Formica. I like about the cabinet, it's all up to the ceiling, not half cabinet. They use a big microwave, same what they use in the big fifth wheel 30-inch microwave. The TV is on a swing arm, and I could swing it to, I could wash it from those 2 swivel. Let me show you. I could recline, voila, and I could enjoy it. And then these chairs, they recline. This piece recline. I could swivel. I could adjust it the way I want it. And then there's a knob here. Okay, hold on. Voila, I could watch the TV, and I enjoy the beautiful TV. Now, if the kids in the upper bunk and I want them to watch the TV, it's no big deal because the TV is on a swing arm. So that's one features about those TV. And then you see these are swivel recline, and then they give you a cabinet over here as well, another cabinet. I like the modern look, contemporary, solid valances, not a paper, so it's a rough unit. Then here's, you have all your switches. You have the endless hot water heater, you have the air condition controllers, you have the bed up and down, lighting, USB plug, and then here's, you see, it's a nice LED with the dimmer. So these are beautiful LED coat hanger. Now in the kitchen, they give you the biggest refrigerator you could get. It's a 3-door fridge, 1 for freezer, 2 for fridge, and it's a 12 volt. And again, no worries. Why? Because I have the 200 watt solar panel on the roof. In the kitchen, they give you beautiful backsplash, solid surface counter. I like this diamond inside the solid surface countertop. A 3-burner range with a nice oven with a blue light, tinsel doors. Even they put fork knives, show you everything. And then also you have cooking pan doors and silverware. They give you even more storage here, so they don't waste any space on this unit. Now let's walk inside this unit. This unit has, on the 2314, RV King. So this is a king size bed with a shelf, as you see, and a cabinet, a closet on this side, and then a closet on the other side. And then this is a king size bed. Lift up. This is a door underneath. Plus, underneath this door, there's a storage place right here. Now I put the power cord. Now, when you close this door, now you have like a master suite where you have your king size bed, and then you could go to the bathroom to dress up, take a shower, do your business, no question asked. And full privacy. Nice big medicine cabinet, as you see right here. Big sink, porcelain toilet, plenty room, nice standing showers, no big issue with the height, with the fan, and it's air conditioned and heated. And then also this unit, you could put a 32-inch TV here. It's already prepped, so it's ready for your bedroom. So you could see this Jack and Joe bath, I call it, or 2-inch door from the bedroom as well from the hallway. The beauty about this Toyhauler is not too big, not too small, and it gives you everything you ask for. And we have it on special, and no price will match the 26 Stryker 2314 in California. Coming in, put your 4-seaters, and let's go to Pismo. Now, one thing this one has is a big cap on the front with a fiberglass molding and LED light in the front. So you could see when you hitch up the unit at the night. Electric tank jack, 2 propane tank. This unit come already with a 200-watt solar panel on the roof. As you see, the solar controller, and then there's a solar on the roof, battery disconnect switch, tire monitoring, and also there's another switch here for the slide out. Aluminum construction. This is a pure vacuum bonded aluminum constructions. Come with a nice power awning, 2 outside speakers, a TV hookup right here, so you could put your TV here if you want, or you could leave it on the table and you have the hookup. Nice entry assistant handles, 3-step to get in. Aluminum rims, Goodyear tires, not a Chinese bomb. Beautiful, all electric. So it has electric tongue jack and electric stabilizer jack. So the front, you have 2 electric stab jack, and in the back, you have 2 electric jack in the back. So it has all power, nothing manual. You don't have to go crank it. Fuel stations, and then this one, it has the fuel nozzle here with the fuel tank underneath it. It's a 30-gallon fuel stations. And in the back, they give you everything on a Toyhauler travel trailers. A lot of the Toyhauler travel trailers, they give you screen wall. But the Stryker, what they do extra, they give you 3-season doors. So as you see, that white piece is a 3-season door. What does it mean, 3-season doors? It means I could get the fresh air go through it, or I put the privacy panels and I could see through it, but there's no air, no dust come inside. That's the 3-season door. A patio system, as you see here, with accessible from the back. In the back, as you see, it's already prepped for camera, 2 LED light, leopard expandable ladder prep. This is on the go ladder, they call it. That's where you fill the fuel tank. It is 1 fuel tank, feed both. Feed the generators on the front, as well feed the fuel stations, as you see on the other side. Sani flush kit, Sani flush, city water connection, cable hookup, satellite hookup, outside sprayers, endless hot water heater. And then here you have the 50 amp service. So it already has the AC and per second if you want. 50 amp service, 110. And then over here you have the big generators, the inverter technology generators. This generator will run everything on this unit, no question asked, and is certified by the 50 states, so no issue running in California. So this generator is ready to go, and it has also inverter technology, and you can run the AC, the microwave, all of that stuff inside the Toyhauler, no question asked. And by the way, this is a 2026 models.